Hi, what's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I'm going to react to the Plush of Adventure Time episode from season 4 called Slime Princess. So I created this episode because I made a paper figure of a Slime Princess. So it was from the Cartoon Network website that I got it off of. So let's get to the episode. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And this scene was filmed in the excuse me. It was filmed in the alley, actually.
Jake, this is a perfect day to have a picnic. Isn't it, Jake? Yes, Finn, totally. This is a perfect day to have a picnic. Thank you, Finn, for inviting us to your picnic. You're welcome, Tree Trunks, and let's grab our sandwiches. Help! Help! Somebody help me! Oh no, Jake! This is not good!
Slime Princess
is in trouble! So, come on, Jake, and everybody, the picnic is canceled for today. And come on, Jake, we don't have a lot of time to go and save her. Come on. Okay, Finn. Come on, Jake.
We don't have a lot of time.
Dude, I know. And hey, Ice King. What, Finn?
Let Slime Princess
go right now. Please, Ice King. Never, Finn. I would not let her go.
And that is the paper toy that I made from the Cartoon Network website. I don't know if it's still on there today. I don't know, cause I haven't been on the website for a long time.
Jake, we have to see where Ice King goes. So, come on, Jake. We don't have a lot of time. Okay, Finn. Jake, we just ended up here at the Ice Kingdom, and first we need a plan before we go into Ice King's palace. Okay, Jake? Okay, Finn.
Let's figure out
a plan now. Jake, this is the plan. I go rescue SP while you distract the
Ice King. Okay, Jake?
Okay, Finn. I am coming for you, SP. SP, are you okay? Yes, Finn.
I am okay.
Don't
worry.
I will
get you out of here, okay?
Okay, Finn.
Now.
I got you out of the jail cell, so So now, let's get out of here.
I am just
Relaxing and watching TV while SP decides if she wants to marry me or not.
Yep, no one would not marry you, Ice King.
Hey Ice King, what is it, Jake? I have a surprise for you. Just look the other way. Okay, Jake. I am looking the other way. Hiya! Take that, Ice King, for kidnapping SP. Finally, we made it out of Ice King's palace. Finn, thank you for saving me. You're welcome, SP. Finn and SP.
Are you two okay?
Yes, Jake, we are okay. Okay, come on, we have to take you home, SP. Fan, thanks for taking me home. You're welcome, SP. And me and Jake have to go home now. Okay, Fan. And
Can you hang out with me some other time?
sure, why not? So, come on, Jake. Let's go home.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, babe.
Hey, boy!
Okay, Finn. Bye, Finn and Jake.
Get home safe, Finn.
He is the boy of my dreams. I wish I can see him again.
That's not gonna be good. She is obsessed with him.
Finn, it has been a long day. Jake, I know, and we are home now. SP, why are you doing here?
Inside of our house.
Finn, I am in love with you. SP, that is no reason for you to be here. And
Can you please leave?
bye, Finn and Jake. Bye. Oh, thank goodness. SP left. And
Before we left SP's palace,
she creeped me out.
and I think she had a crush on me.
Finn, don't.
Worry about it now. We should.
Head to bed. Okay, Jake. Yeah, Jake.
We should go to bed and
I should not.
worry about SP having.
A crush on me. Jake, good morning. I am going to meet you downstairs so we can make breakfast. SP, why
Yep, she's here again.
are you doing here? And I told you to leave last night. And I told you
We will hang out some.
other time. Finn, I love you. That is no reason for you to be here. Finn,
Can you go on a date?
with me? The answer is no. And you need to leave right now. And
If you do this again,
I will never hang out with you.
understand.
Yes, Finn, I understand. Bye, Finn. Finally, she left. Jake, let's go and make some breakfast.
Okay, dude.
I am coming. Jake, that was a good breakfast. But
If you shop on Amazon, you should use this tool. It's a browser extension that automatically
I need to go shopping for dinner tonight and some
Snacks.
for us. Okay, Finn.
But first,
I need to take a shower and get dressed.
before I go,
Okay, Finn. Okay, Jake. I am off to the grocery store now. Okay, Fan. I will be back within a few minutes, okay? Okay, Fan. I am going to play with BMO. Before I grab dinner, I need to grab 2 boxes of popcorn very fast, so I can have it with Jake tonight.
actually, this was filmed in a safe way, actually. And I was in the aisle all alone before I filmed this scene. So, it's kind of embarrassing to film out in public. So I made sure the aisle was clear first before I started filming. So here we go.
2 boxes. SP,
I told you not to follow me again. So, we're not going to hang out. Never ever. So, I am going straight home. And bye-bye. Oh.
Jake! We need to talk. Okay, Finn? What is it? SP has followed me again.
Dude, that's not good.
I know, right? It happened while I was grabbing 2 boxes of popcorn for us for tonight. But after I put the 2 boxes into the cart, then she popped up in the middle of nowhere again. So I left the store after I had a talk
With her again.
So, I was thinking, Jake,
I should call the banana guards to take her to the candy dungeon. Okay, Finn, that's a good idea. Let me go and call the banana guards right now. Yep, I still talk slow in this episode for some reason. I don't know why though, but let's get back to the episode here.
okay, Finn. Hi, Finn, Jake. What seems to be...
I printed out these banana guard pictures here to portray as the banana guards here. I wish the plushies were real though, but I had to use these. So I had to waste my printer's paper at the time. Let's get back to the episode here.
be the problem? Well...
Slime Princess has been stalking me.
everywhere I go. Okay? And where was the last time
You have seen her at
I saw her at
Safeway.
the last time? I just got home from Safeway about a few minutes ago. Okay, Finn?
How long has this been happening for?
Since this morning. Okay, and where...
Is she at now? I think she's back at her palace now.
after...
I told her to leave me alone.
and...
Can you lock her up for me, please?
Sure, Finn.
We will do that.
So, come on. Let's go find her. SP. This is what...
You get for stalking me everywhere I go. Like going home and to Safeway earlier today.
So...
And
I didn't like to do this to you, but I had to do it
anyway,
for my own...
protection, okay?
Oh, Finn.
I am so sorry.
I accept your apology because
This is
your first offense, okay? Okay, Finn.
How long am I going to stay here?
SP,
Let me go ask.
the banana guards.
I will be right back, okay? Okay, Finn.
Hi, SP. I am back. And they said you are going to stay here for the night, but
They said,
if you do it again, you are going to stay here for about 2 to 3 years. Okay, SP? Okay, Finn. So, come on, Jake. Let's go home and relax. Okay, Finn.
alright, that was the end of the Slime Princess episode from Season 4. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more Adventure Time content and gaming and tech tutorials and unboxings and reviews. And also, if you are new, please make sure to sub with notifications on so you guys don't miss a video from me every time I upload a new video. And comment and rate this video, and make sure to share this video too. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off, and peace out. Bye, guys.